Good morning, students of class 3. This is your ma'am S.T. Joshi. Welcome back to your English literature class. We were doing the lesson Once in a Village, and we will continue today the next part of it. I hope you remember the lesson which we had done, which is about a village and a forest, and the people started cutting the forest, cutting the trees, and the wise ones warned them that don't cut the trees, but they did not listen. So let's find out today what happened further. Okay, let's start reading. Then one year it happened just as the wise ones had said. What did the wise ones say? The wise ones said to the villagers that don't cut the trees. Don't cut down the trees. जो वाइज लोग थे, जो बुद्धिमान थे, उन्होंने कहा था विलेजर्स को कि पेड़ मत काटना. ओके, बट लोगों ने सुना नहीं. द पीपल ऑफ द विलेज, द विलेजर्स डिड नॉट हियर the warning. Okay, and let's see what happened. That was the year the rains did not come, and as the wise ones had warned them that don't cut the trees, and because it can create a lot of problem, so it happened in the same way that there was no rain that year. The people of the village looked up at the sky where the sun shone bright, too bright. Perhaps the rains are late, they said. They waited, but the weeks went by and the rains didn't come. Now what happened? There was no rain in the village. कोई बारिश नहीं हो रही थी. And when people looked up in the sky, it was so bright. The sun was so bright. Okay, very bright. And they said to each other, the villagers said to each other, maybe this year the rains will be late. जैसे कई बार मानसून का टाइम होता है और हम लोग सोचते हैं कि अब आएगा मानसून, अब आएगा, और नहीं आता है ना. तो हम लोग सोचते हैं कि पता नहीं इस साल हो सकता है लेट आए मानसून, बारिश हो सकता है लेट आए. इन द सेम वे द विलेजर्स ऑल्सो थॉट द सेम थिंग, बट the wise ones had already warned the villagers that if you cut down the trees, something bad will come, कुछ बुरा हो सकता है. But they did not listen and they cut down trees. And what was the result? उसका result क्या हुआ? There was no rain. Let's read further. The next year again the rains did not come. The next year also, अगले साल भी कोई बारिश नहीं हुई. The sky was cloudless. Okay, what do you mean by cloudless? What is cloud? Cloud means बादल और less means ख़त्म या कम होना. So आसमान में, स्काई में कोई बादल नहीं थे. ठीक है, बिना बादल का था आसमान. Okay, when you see clouds it means rain. Okay, but there were no clouds. That the sky was cloudless. The dazzling sun looked down from the sky. Everyone waited in vain. What do you mean by dazzling? Dazzling means shining. Okay, the sun was shining. Okay, and it looked down from the sky. Everyone waited in vain, and everybody was looking at the sky. Maybe the rain will come now. Maybe the rain will come now. हो सकता है अब बारिश हो जाए, हो सकता है अब बारिश हो जाए. लेकिन बारिश नहीं हो रही थी. There was no rain at all. And let's see what happened further. But there was still no rain. People kept looking at the sky. Okay, but there was no rain. No, not a drop. एक छोटी सी बूंद भी नहीं. Drop means booth. The grass was brown now and withered. Okay, now the grass had become brown. Usually grass कौन से कलर की होती है? Grass is of green color, but because there was no water, no rain, so it began to become dry. वो dry होने लगी grass. Okay, and now and withered. What do you mean by withered? Dead and dried up. Okay, सूखे पत्ते, सूखी घास, और जो सूख जाता है ना, that is known as withered. How will you pronounce it? Withered. The ponds were dry. Okay, छोटे छोटे जो तालाब थे वो भी सूख गए थे. The lotus had died. जो कमल का फूल था वो भी मर गया था. Okay, all the flowers and the ponds had dried up. The ducks and the geese left the village. The ducks left the village. The geese left the village. जो ducks थी उन्होंने village छोड़ छोड़ के दूसरे villages में जाने लगे होंगे जहाँ पानी होगा, because they cannot survive without water for a long time. Nobody can survive without water. Okay, so the geese and the ducks left the village. The river became thin, muddy trickle, and the river और जो river थी, जो नदी थी, it became thin, वो अजीब सी पतली सी हो गई, छोटी सी हो गई, ओके, सकरी सी, नैरो सी हो गई, पानी नहीं था उसमें. एंड मडी ट्रिकल, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मडी ट्रिकल? मडी ट्रिकल मीन्स कंटेनिंग मड. ओके, मडी मीन्स कंटेनिंग मड. उसमें सिर्फ मट मैला सा बस पानी सा रह गया, मिट्टी और पानी, क्योंकि पानी कम था और मिट्टी ज़्यादा थी. सो इट बिकेम मडी ट्रिकल. एंड वॉट डिड द पीपल से? दिस इज टेरेबल. लोगों ने कहा दिस इज टेरेबल, दिस इज वेरी बैड, वेरी अनप्लेजेंट, अनहैप्पी सिचुएशन. जब कुछ बुरा हो जाता है, समथिंग बैड हैपन्स, वी से ना, तो ओ दिस इज सो टेरेबल. सो एंड द विलेजर्स ऑल्सो सेड दिस इज टेरेबल, सेड एवरीबडी. आर ट्रबल्स ड्यू टू आर कटिंग ट्रीज? एंड दे रियलाइज्ड, उनको लगा कि शायद ये जो पानी बारिश नहीं हो रही है वो शायद इसलिए क्योंकि हमने पेड़ों को काटा. एंड दे सेड टू ईच अदर, उन्होंने एक दूसरे से कहा आर ट्रबल्स, ट्रबल्स मीन प्रॉब्लम्स, ड्यू टू आर कटिंग ट्रीज. What was the trouble? The trouble was that there was no rain, no water, and it was very difficult for them to survive. And they realized that their troubles was because they were cutting trees. They asked each other, the people asked, as soon as it rains, we will plant saplings. And what they said to each other, as soon as it rains, जैसे ही, as soon as means जैसे ही बारिश होगी, we will plant new saplings. What do you mean by saplings? Saplings are new plants, young plants. Okay, जो छोटे छोटे नए नए प्लांट्स होते हैं और उनको आपने आपके मम्मी या पापा लेकर आते होंगे ना छोटे छोटे गमलों में पौधे लगाने के लिए. ओके, फिर वो लगाते होंगे, थोड़े दिन के बाद वो बड़े हो जाते हैं. योर पेरेंट्स माइट बी ब्रिंगिंग होम स्मॉल प्लांट्स, स्मॉल सैपलिंग्स, ओके, एंड प्लांटिंग देम इन pots so that they grow up and become beautiful. So in the same way, the villagers said, promised that when if it rains, as soon as it rains, we will plant many saplings. They promised, yes, and we'll water and look after them till they grow into trees, if only it would rain. And they promised, उन्होंने वायदा किया. What do you mean by promised? वायदा करना. They promised each other that as soon as it rains, we will plant new saplings, हम नए नए छोटे छोटे पौधे लगाएंगे, we'll water, हम पानी देंगे, and look after them, और उनका पेड़ों का ख्याल रखेंगे, and as they grow into big trees. Okay, if only it would rain, बस बारिश हो जाए फिर हम ये सब काम करेंगे. Now let's see what happened. We'll die if there is no rain, cried everybody. The trees shed their leaves. The trees shed their leaves. The trees shed their leaves and held up bare bony arms to the sky. Okay, these villagers said to themselves that वी विल डाई, हम मर जाएंगे अगर कोई बारिश नहीं होगी. ओके, और जो ट्रीज थे, दे वर शेडिंग देयर लीव्स, उनके जो पत्ते थे वो झड़ रहे थे. एंड हेल्ड अ बेयर बोनी आर्म्स टू द स्काई. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय बेयर? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय बेयर? दिस इज नॉट दैट बेयर, भालू वाला बेयर नहीं है. ओके, दिस इज बेयर मीन्स नॉट कवर्ड. द ट्रीज वर नॉट कवर्ड विथ लीव्स. कोई ट्रीज में कोई लीव्स नहीं थी, जैसे वो बिल्कुल खाली खाली से हो गए थे. बोनी, बोनी मतलब हड्डी हड्डी, बस सिर्फ लकड़ी लकड़ी रह गया था, सिर्फ ब्रांचेस रह गए थे, ट्रंक रह गया था, और कुछ भी उसमें बिल्कुल भी लीव्स नहीं थी. जैसे एकदम बिना कपड़ों के हो जाता है वैसे वो ये ट्रीज हो गए थे. बोनी आर्म्स टू द स्काई. द एनिमल्स ले डाउन साइलेंट एंड सैड. The animals lay down silent and sad. If only it would rain, twittered the birds. Oh, if only. And even the animals were very sad and silent. जो सारे एनिमल्स थे वो भी बहुत दुखी थे, बहुत परेशान थे, और आपस में बर्ड्स एक दूसरे से कह रहे थे. द बर्ड्स सेड टू ईच अदर, ओह इफ़ ओनली इट वुड रेन, बस बारिश हो जाए, बस बारिश हो जाए. ऐसे ऐसे करके वो आपस में बात करते. ट्विटर, डू यू रिमेंबर ट्विटर्ड? इन द लास्ट lesson we had read this word, na, twittered, when birds twitter. Okay, send us rain, sobbed the thin muddy trickle that had once been the river. Okay, what did the river say? Sobbed. What do you mean by sobbed? Sobbed means said something while crying. रो रो के किसी बात को कहना. Sobbed. ऐसे रो रो के ना, जब आपको कोई आपकी मम्मी पिटाई कर देती है, फिर आपसे पूछती है क्यों किया ऐसे, तब आप रो रो के बताते हैं मैंने ऐसे, है ना, सोब करते हैं. सो दिस मीन्स सोबिंग. सेड समथिंग वाइल क्राइंग, किसी बात को कहना रोते हुए. एंड व्हाट डिड द रिवर से? द रिवर वाज सोबिंग. जो रिवर थी वो रो रही थी. ओके, ये एक, दिस इज एन इमेजिनेशन ऑफ द राइटर. ओके चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज एन इमेजिनेशन ऑफ द राइटर. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक एक्चुअली द रिवर वॉज क्राइंग. ऐसा नहीं कि रिवर के आंसू निकल रहे थे, बट दिस इज एन इमेजिनेशन. ओके, दैट द रिवर वॉज क्राइंग बिकॉज देयर वॉज नो वाटर, नो रेन. Okay, the thin muddy trickle had once been, and this river had been with full of water. ये जो रिवर थी पहले पानी से भरी रहती थी. ओके, बट नाउ इट हैड बिकम अ मडी ट्रिकल, मटमैली सी हो गई थी. ओके, एंड नाउ इट वाज क्राइंग, क्राइंग, सेंड अस रेन, सेंड अस रेन, हमें बारिश भेजो. ओके, एंड रेन कम डाउन, रेन प्रेड द एम्प्टी फील्ड्स. ओके, द रिवर वॉज क्राइंग, द एम्प्टी फील्ड्स. ओके, एम्प्टी फील्ड्स मतलब जो एम्प्टी जगहें थी, खेत, वो फील्ड्स जो थे वो रो रहे थे, क्योंकि उसमें कुछ अब उगाया नहीं जा सकता था. नथिंग कैन बी प्लांटेड और नथिंग कैन बी, नो, नथिंग कैन बी सोड इन इट. रेन प्लीज कम, मे द रेन कम, begged the people. There was one thought in every mind and one wish in every heart. Okay, everybody was saying, the trees were crying, the rivers were crying, the fields were crying, the people, the villagers were crying, send us some rain, send us some rain. Everybody wanted rain now, and they were really very sorry for what they had done. Then one day, the one thought in every mind and the one wish in every heart began to grow in strength. What happened one day when they all were saying it together, all were praying together? Okay, everyone had the same thing in their mind, everyone had the same wish in their heart. सबके माइंड में बस एक ही बात थी कि बस बारिश हो जाए. सबके हार्ट में बस एक ही बात थी कि बस बारिश हो जाए. So powerful. Okay, एंड इट बिगैन टू ग्रो इन स्ट्रेंथ. जब कोई भी चीज़ यूनिटी में आती है तो वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाती है. ओके, वो बहुत, इसलिए एक रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एक माइंड, एक हार्ट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एक माइंड होना बहुत ज़रूरी है कुछ भी चीज़ को पूरा करने के लिए. इफ़ यू वांट टू fulfill anything, okay, if you want to be successful in anything, in some teamwork, so you have to have a, you have to have one heart and one mind. Okay, and the people and the fields and the trees and the rivers all had become one. So powerful, and it was so powerful. उनकी जो unity थी, उनकी जो एकता थी, वो बहुत powerful थी. Did it? So powerful did it become that it began to rise higher and higher until it reached the sky. And उनकी जो desire थी, उनकी जो जो लोग चाह रहे थे, वो इतना ज़्यादा था, strong था, उनकी unity, उनकी एकता, that their prayers, everybody's desire reached the sky. Okay, and there it became a shining silver cloud. और वो होते होते, and there it became a shining silver cloud. What do you mean? What does the writer mean to say by silver? Silver or maybe grayish. Okay, have you seen a cloud that causes rain? आपने ऐसा cloud देखा जो rain, जो बारिश करता है, या तो बहुत काले होते हैं बादल, या सिल्वर या ग्रे कलर के होते हैं. सो देयर वॉज अ सिल्वर क्लाउड इन द स्काई. लुक, cried the people. Look, cried the people, gazing upwards. Now, what do you mean by gazing? Gazing means looking at something for a longer time. Gazing means looking at something for a longer time. बहुत देर तक एक ही चीज़ की तरफ देखते रहना. The people were looking up and gazing upwards. So, and they said to each other, "Look!" cried the people, "upwards!" All eyes were fixed on the wonderful cloud. और सब लोग उस एक क्लाउड के ही तरफ देख रहे थे. Everybody was looking at that silver cloud. Everybody. They were so happy. Then raindrops fell. Pit, 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 pitter, pitter, pit, pit. And what happened? The rain, it started, it began to rain. And there were raindrops fell. Pit, pit, pit. Pitter, pitter, pit, pit. Okay, आपने आवाज़ सुनी? Have you heard the sound of the rain? है ना, कितनी सुंदर आवाज़ होती है, सच अ ब्यूटिफुल sound it is of the rain. They fell on the earth. Okay, children, I want to tell you one thing. Some places you will read the people, and some places you will read the as the. Okay, where will you use the? कहाँ पे हम द पढ़ते हैं? द वहाँ पे आता है, THE द वहाँ पे आता है जहाँ पे कोई भी आपका AEIU नहीं, कोई भी वॉवल नहीं होता है, वहाँ आप द पढ़ेंगे. ओके, पर जहाँ वॉवल से वर्ड शुरू हो रहा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये अर्थ. ओके, दिस अर्थ, EARTH, इट स्टार्ट्स विथ E एंड E इज़ अ वॉवल. सो यू विल एवरी टाइम देर इज़ अ वॉवल, उससे पहले वाला जो द होगा, इट विल नॉट बी द, इट विल बी दी. बट if there is no vowel, like here it is people, PP is not a vowel, so you will pronounce the here. And here the earth, they fell on the earth and on the dry grass and on animals and birds and people. And now it began to rain, and the raindrops fell on the earth, on the dry grass. See, I'm pronouncing the here, not the, because D is not a vowel. Okay, the dry grass and on animals and birds and people. And it began to rain everywhere, on dry grass, on people and birds and people, animals and people. Okay. Oh, the rain, the wonderful rain, the wonderful, beautiful, glorious. What is it written here? Here the word is glorious. Here the word is glorious. Okay, glorious rain. Everybody cried. And how was the rain? It was so glorious, it was so beautiful. What do you mean by glorious? Glorious means extremely beautiful. I will just show you the word. See, here it is, glorious. Okay, glorious, because it is at the end, at the binding. ये binding पे ये word लिखा है, इसलिए ये ठीक से it cannot be seen. Okay, now the raindrops grew bigger, thick and fast. They fell from the black clouds, and everybody lifted their arms and sang and danced. Okay, and the raindrops became bigger and bigger. First, the raindrops were small, and now the raindrops grew bigger, thick and fast. Okay, पहले धीमे धीमे आ रहे थे, फिर then it was thick, मोटे मोटे, fell from the black cloud, वो black cloud से आ रहे थे. And everybody lifted their arms and sang and danced. And the people were so happy, they lifted up their arms, उन्होंने अपने हाथों को ऊपर उठाया, and they sang, उन्होंने गाने गाए, they danced, they sang and danced, but did not forget what they had promised. They were singing and they were dancing, and they did not forget what they had promised. The village was full of green saplings. Now, children, see here, can you see this picture? Beautiful picture, isn't it? Everybody was waiting for the rain, and it started to rain. And people were dancing, people were enjoying and singing songs. The river was happy, the ponds were happy, the animals were happy, the people were happy, the birds were happy. Everybody was so happy. And what else? And that they did not forget what they had promised. What did they promise? They had promised that if as soon as it rains, we will plant new saplings. New saplings means new small plants. Okay, and they did not forget this. Whatever they promised, they did it. And the forest was full of the village, the forest was full of new saplings. It became green again. So, children, what do you learn from this lesson? What do you learn? We learn that we should not cut down the trees. Okay, and we learn that when somebody wants us, when some elder person wants us, हमें कोई आगाह करता है किसी बात के लिए, we should listen. Okay, we should listen to them, we should not ignore their warnings. Okay, because our parents, our elder sisters or brothers or uncles or aunties, okay, and our grandparents, they will always advise us good things, and we should listen to them. And what do we learn more? That whatever we have promised to somebody, we have to fulfill it. हमने अगर किसी से कुछ भी promise किया है, तो उस प्रॉमिस को हमको पूरा करना है. Okay children, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, Once in a Village, and this is the end of the lesson. And I will be sending you the PDF and the question and answers in the next class. I hope you enjoyed it. God bless you and take care.